Hello everybody and welcome back. This is just a quick video to show a new line I've been working on at Moss Rock. I've tried this line several times, not super hard, but the truck always fell off of it. So today I went up there to test some tire inserts, and I figured part of my mission was going to be I was going to conquer that line. So I worked on it a little while and was able to do it and finally captured it on video. But the funny thing is I put the truck out. First time on the rock, it went right over it, no problem. And I had tried it several times before and never been able to do it. So I was super excited, got the camera out, and it wouldn't do it again. So I worked on it, till finally I was able to capture it on video. So anyways, this short video going to show you this line. When we find a new line and conquer it, you're able to name it. So I've named this one the Cliffhanger. So here we go. Okay, there it is, the cliffhanger. I did that second part because I'm eventually going to make that part of the line as well. I was able to get up over it earlier, but I didn't feel like recording that whole thing again. I thought it'd be kind of fun just to add it in to the end with me crashing in slow motion at the end. So anyway, that's the cliffhanger. Get out there and try it. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.